we can describe what the robot is doing as behaviors. These can be big behaviors and small behaviors. For example, a big behavior would be to spot the strawberry. We can break that big behavior down into smaller steps so that the robot can understand what to do. We can say, set motor speed, start motor, wait until red, stop, light LED, play sound. If you write those behaviors down, that becomes your pseudocode. Pseudocode is an outline or plan for your program. You can start with a big behavior such as your original step, spot the strawberry. Then get more detailed by listing steps for how the robot should spot the strawberry. You can add even more details in the last column by including specific values. Your pseudocode should be so simple a robot can do it.